Right, this is quiz 5, and it's about exponential and log functions. And in here, there's 5 questions that some of you got wrong, particularly question number 19 and number 20, and number 21. So please look at these carefully. Now these questions, we need to understand about the concept of functions. So f of x and f of 2 of x. Now note that the bracket. So you remove the bracket and you simplify, you now end up with this. Now note that the power here of 2 to the 2x, you could take them out as like 2 times x, but that won't help you with the options available here. But what if you break it to 2x as of x plus x? Now we could apply the rules of indices, and x plus x means this is another 2 to the power of x. So the answer here should be D. Now this question, number 14, we want to find the expression in terms of a and b for log 12. So here's a and here's b. Log 12 can be considered as 2 times 6 or 4 times 3. Now to help us use the expression of a as in base 2, okay, so log the base 10 to the 2 and log the base 10 to the 9. So I might choose 4 times 3. So let's move around the expression and see what we can have with the 4 and the 3. So log 2 is a, but log 9 is actually 3 to the square, and that is 2 times log 3. So b over 2 now is equal to log 3. So I could use that now back to my expression for log 12. But log 4 is actually 2 to the square. So here we are, the answer is B. Now in question 16, we're told that x is bigger than y. We have an expression of a is equal to log of bracket x plus y, and b is log of x minus y. So let's find out the log of square root of x squared minus y squared. So the square root, can we take it out as a half, and we could use the identity of the x squared minus y squared. And don't forget the bracket here, okay? So the log of the product times a half. So apply the rules of log, so that's log plus, and that's b, and that's a. So hence the answer here should be A. Now question 19 is one of the questions that many of you got it wrong, so please pay attention. So log of x squared, so let's use that. And that is same as the log of 3x plus log of base 10 to 10. Now note that I changed that 1 in the expression as in log base 10. So 1 is actually equal to log base 10 to 10. And here now we could apply the rules of log. So the sum of log is actually log the product. So hence x squared must equal to 30x. Now be careful here, don't cancel out the x. Okay, factorize. So here, x is either equal to 0 or x equal to 30. Now by looking at this, we might think of as option D. But think again, we're talking about the log. So we need to check whether some of the values of x is not acceptable in this case here. So when x is 0, log x squared and log of 3 is undefined. So we have to reject x equal to 0, and that leaves us with x equal to 30. So in this case, the answer here is C. Now the last question here is about the graph. So let's draw the graph of log of base 5 dx. And the intercept here is that x is 1, y is 0. Now as for the other one, y equal base 5 to the x, it will have an intercept as x is 0, y is 1, and this is an exponential increasing function. Now do you remember when we folded a piece of paper? Okay, so we folded a square paper, and actually it's a reflection along that line. So they actually are they are the inverse function of each other. And this line here is of 45 degrees, and that is when x is equal to y. And the answer here is C. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something. Bye for now.